Good morning, everybody. Yeah, second day now with snow, so deciding to run instead of going skiing. The visibility is not so great. I prefer running, but just started, so freezing. Looks like I'm the first one to run here today, or even walk. The height and running up here, not used to that in Szczecin. Definitely not. Complete opposite. Doesn't look so steep on the camera, but it's hard. Got to switch to some power hiking, let's call it. Already nearly 180 vertical meters up, and it's like 1.5 kilometers. Yikes. Kilometer number 2, just above 8 minutes, which is already a good kilometer here. The glass gets so foggy when it's not enough wind. With the snow, it's sometimes a good idea to use them anyway. There's like a quite big lake, but you can't see anything at the moment. Kilometer number 4. Exactly 8 minutes. So already like 32 minutes for 4 kilometers. Not about the average here. Headwind again. You can just look for the next post. Otherwise, I always have no idea where I'm going. I mean, tiny bit, yes, but oh great. Kilometer number 6, doing an extra loop here on Bedma and then head back home. So I don't know, maybe 12 kilometers, something like that would be nice. That's why I love running here. You're just alone with the nature, snow, everything quiet. Beautiful. kilometer number 8. Already just over an hour running. So not too bad yet. Now it's a little bit uphill and then mostly flat through the village back to Riedalp. Kilometer number 10 at the end of Bedmaralp village, so just need to cross over to Riedalp. Just getting hungry. Nie dobrze. And made it home exactly 12 kilometers, so happy about that. With 430 meters of ascent, so not too bad. I will show you when I'm inside on the phone again. So, back from my run, showered, now time to eat something and then go shopping again. To buy some more food, I would say, and then go with her on a hike or sledging or whatever. We will see. Way to the shop and the hike, and on the way back to the shop again. Yeah, small snack now and then the real shopping after. So, our plan is to go up there, I don't know if you can see it, and then sledge down. What do we have here? A wild mahina in a natural habitat, resting on the search for food. So, made it to the top, as you can see in the background probably.
You see?
Yeah, a bit. So, now time to go down with the sledge. Hello. With the salad. So, made it back home. Yeah.
Don't.
So, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Like, subscribe, and see you hopefully on the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.